Let's do a quick unboxing of Xiaomi 17T. I'm gonna show you what accessories do we get inside, what is included inside the box, and of course we can also check how the phone looks like. So over here we have our paper box where we are supposed to get all of the stuff that we have for our phone. There is also our phone. We're gonna take a look at it in a second, but first let's take a look at this paper box over here. Let's open it from this side. We should be able to find the SIM eject tool, and then we can also find the USB cable. It is USB-A to USB-C, so Xiaomi still uses USB-A on one side. We can also find a bit of paper, so we have the quick start guide and a warranty card and safety information, and also we have this U label over here. This is of course the European version of the phone, and we can also find this simple silicone protective case. So pretty good that they still include these. This means that of course if you get your smartphone you can at least use this one, at least temporarily of course, until you get a better one. Let me just quickly put it back in. I'm not gonna use it this time. There we go. And of course let's take a look at the phone itself. Alright, and this is how the phone looks like. I have chosen this beautiful blue color. I really like it. At the back of course we have our cameras and the flashlight. On the right side we should be able to find the power button and volume buttons. On the left side there is nothing. At the top there is nothing as well. No ports whatsoever. And at the bottom we should be able to find the SIM tray, the microphone, USB-C port, and speakers. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.